Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello viewers! Today we will learn English sentences. Let's go! Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Drink water. Drink water. Eat your food. Eat your food. Complete your tasks. Complete your tasks. Say sorry. Say sorry. It's all right. It's all right. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. I am Sarah. I am Sarah. She is eating. She is eating. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.